and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Brought to you by yours truly, Scott Tyler. Today we have an awesome review of a piece of tech I've been wanting for my camera for a long time. So today, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be taking a look at this bad boy right here. This is the Rode Video Micro Compact on-camera microphone. So this is essentially a 3.5 millimeter connection that goes into your DSLR or whatever camera you may have that has a aux input, and it'll allow you to get better external audio. And when you click record on your camera, that audio is automatically synced up with the video portion and will replace your onboard microphone, so everything will sound a lot better. I had a Movo mic earlier, which was also great. However, I lost it. So I needed a replacement, and YouTube recommended this one because it's budget. It was only around $50 US, and it has a much fuller sound than other budget other shotgun microphones out there. So if you're looking for a external mic that's budget and also has good sound quality, take a look at this one. So without further ado, let's unbox it, and then we'll do a comparison between this audio, the onboard audio from my camera, to the Rode Video Micro. So let's hop into it. Okay, people, here we go. Rode Video Micro. Let's unbox this thing. See what we get in the box. What actually comes in the box is the mic, the suspension mount, which is like kind of like the shock-proof mount, so it doesn't distort the audio. We have the aux cable and also a furry windshield if you're looking to use this outdoors in the wind, because we all know wind can heavily, I'm definitely not unboxing this properly. Wind can heavily distort your audio quality. Okay, just everything's just in here. pretty basic packaging. There's no real like organization of things, but yeah. Here's that warranty card if you want that. We have some silica gel. I don't want that stuff. Put that back in the box. We have some pamphlets on this thing. Quick start guide if you're looking to use that, if you're confused. This is plug and play, so I'm not really too confused or worried about this. And regulatory and safety information, so you don't misuse this and sue the company. So here's the cable itself. Let's take this out of this little baggie. It's nice that it's a coiled cable, so it's not going to get in the way when you're actually plugging it in to your camera, because you don't want loose cables flying around when you're like recording with your camera and stuff. And then here is the microphone itself. It screws on here, right here. This is standard mount for any camera. Here's the back where you plug it in, and here is the Dead Cat by Rode. If I could get this off. I'm not going to use this just because I use this thing indoors. I hardly ever film outside, so I won't be needing this. And I think I already have one, to be honest. But here's the mic itself. Feels sturdy, feels robust. A little wobbly. I've heard mixed things about that, how this thing can just like wobble a little, like it's almost too heavy for the suspension mount itself. But honestly, I don't really care too much. It's not like this is gonna be like wobbling like this. I'm not a vlogger. I just place my camera down on my desk and that sort of thing. So this is how you screw it in. And yeah, let's hop over to the audio test, because that's why you people are here. You actually want to hear what this sounds like compared to the onboard mic, which you're listening to right now. So let's get into that. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now you should be hearing audio coming from the Rode Video Micro. My camera's at essentially the same exact distance I always use to film. It's attached. It's actually not attached to the mount on my camera. It's attached to the mount on the side of my light I use when I'm actually filming like this. So I have a light in case it's dark and I need to brighten up my face. So same. It's like arm's distance away. So I don't know what that is. Average male arm distance. I'm not sure. Is that 1.5 feet, 2 feet, something like that? And yeah, let me know how this sounds. It's pointed directly at me. Here's my lens, and the microphone is right above it. So audio test. I'll do some tss noises and if that affects anything, I'm not sure. A little disappointed it didn't come with sort of a, I know it comes with a Dead Cat, but it doesn't come with a foam cover, which I found a little weird, because the Movo I think did, and I think that can help reduce some of those like weird noises and like those weird peaks that I just did sample on. So yeah, let me know if the audio sounds rich. I haven't listened to it yet, obviously, but when I go to edit this video, I'll listen to it and then I'll like give my final opinion after that. So let's hop right into it. I'm recording this on my Logitech StreamCam, which I use for mostly streaming quality. I thought it'd also be interesting if I used the onboard mic on my StreamCam so we can have like sort of a multi-comparison in this video, comparing my audio here to the Rode Video Micro as well as the onboard microphone on my Lumix G7 itself. So in my opinion, it sounded great. However, I don't think it sounded substantially better than my onboard mic. I'd say it did sound fuller and my voice did sound sort of like closer to the microphone, which makes sense. It's omnidirectional. It's pointed right at my face. And do I think it's worth $50? I think so. I think so, depending on what onboard mic you have on your camera. In my opinion, I'd probably lean more towards like $30 for this. I think that's a proper pricing area, and so yeah, I think it is worth it. I think it sounds good so far. I haven't done too much testing with it, but I think for like talking headshots like I do, I think this camera and microphone and light setup is perfectly fine. I had my light on that whole time. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing and first impressions video, smash the like button, subscribe if you loved it, and I'll see you guys on the next video from Scott Tyler. Peace out, everyone. And Merry Christmas, depending on when this video comes out. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching another video on my channel. If you're interested, click over here to subscribe to the channel and click over here for another amazing tech video review / tutorial. And yeah, thanks so much for checking out the channel. Appreciate all you guys. See you in the next video.